Hey guys, what's going on? Hey, here again, pretty much on a little experiment. Today I'm going to do a little review on this solar charge controller that I got from eBay. It was pretty cheap. It was like $13, and that's including shipping. So, you can't get, you get what you pay for. So I'm just going to give you a quick review of it so you guys can have an idea. Of course, just remember, I'm not getting paid for reviewing this product or anything like that. This is a thing that I'm just doing, on my own. So here's the charge controller. For the price, I think it's great. It got here like pretty fast. I want to say I don't have no complaint on the shipping. I'm going to turn my air pump off for a minute so you guys can hear me. So the shipping was great. I think it got here about a week. I don't think it came from China. I think it came probably from California. I think it was. That's what the label said. So far, he's been doing good. Things that kind of like have like a little flaw is like over here. You're supposed to be able to turn on and turn off your load power source, and he's not doing it. I have a preset to where he's supposed to turn on automatically at when the battery is getting over, it's over 12.7, and as you guys can tell, he was supposed to shut off at 11.3 because that's another downside I see. Basically at 11.3, I think the battery is pretty much drained. I don't want it to get all the way that low to 11.3. For those of you who know about batteries and whatnot, I mean that's pushing it. And I was trying to get a little bit higher to at least 11.8 or 11.6, but it doesn't give you anything more than 11.3 for shut off, for an automatic shut off of the load. Now it's supposed to, as you guys saw, it was supposed to kick in automatically whenever it passed the voltage of 12.7, and so far, if you can see, it's not doing it. In fact, it's not even doing it without it. I may have to reset it and see what happens. Another flaw that I see, it doesn't give you the reading for amperage. So basically, you don't know how many amps you're putting on your battery. Sorry, I'm sweating. It's kind of hot here in Florida. It's humid, very humid. But I don't have no idea why it doesn't show. It doesn't give you, some type of amperage reading. I mean, yes, I understand it's pretty cheap, but I mean that should be standard on every charge controller. Well, if I'm gonna keep it, well, I may keep it for now, because all I need is to charge this one battery that I went ahead and I refurbished technically, but other than that, I mean, I think I will keep it for a little bit. It's not an MPPT charge controller. Like I said, I only paid, I think it was like $12, and it's a PWM. It's a PWM charge controller. So it's pretty basic. I mean, if you have a small system and you don't need too much of anything, then I think it will work great. But other than that, if you want readings, if you want better on and off, which, by the way, I mean, my experience on charge controllers, which I have quite a few of them. That function of the load, shutting off and going back on. I don't know why, but I've always had issues with it. So I mean, taking that in account for the price, I want to, from, if you tell me to rate this product from 0 to 10, 10 being the best, I would say, yeah, I'll give it probably a 5.5, maybe, you know. But again, you gotta remember what I paid. I mean, it's pretty inexpensive. So when I mean, price wise, shipping wise, I mean, it's okay. It's okay. Um, so there you go. That's my review on this product. I mean, one more time, um, right here, you would just give, that's a voltage. That's how much supposedly my battery is on right now. As you can tell, the solar panels are charging the battery. That's what that means. If you hit it again, it tells you that's at what time, at what voltage I want my source to shut off. So it's supposed to shut it off at 13.9, and then that's my load is supposed to turn on again. Sorry about that. Turn on again at 12.7, and it's not doing it. The same thing with this. It's supposed to shut off at 11.3. So let me see what else he has. Oh, this is a feature I'm trying. I'm gonna go ahead and try it. It says supposedly that the load, how much you want your load to be run for, and I put 8 hours. But maybe that's why. You know what? Let's go ahead and change that. Let's see if I go ahead and I put it back to 24 hours. Let's see if he wants to kick in. So we're just gonna go ahead and wait. And let's see. Yep, look at the load. It came on. So let's see if the pump turns on. Okay. There you go. It's on. It's on. But it's supposed to shut off at 12.6. So I don't know if it will. As you can see, look how much the voltage dropped. Maybe that's why. Maybe the battery is not strong enough. Remember, I refurbished this battery, and maybe it just needs more charge, until, because it was I had it on all night with this air pump, which I'm gonna do a little review on another video. But I had it on all night, and the battery hold the charge, but it got discharged throughout the night. I think the lowest voltage, it dropped all the way to 11.6 and 11.7. I remember, kind of like dropping and going back, and up and down. So the battery is pretty discharged. It's probably charging, and what we see there is just a general voltage with the solar panels that I have on the top. So that's it for this review, guys. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe if you like this video. Peace out until the next one. Later.